Good evening, everybody. Just a quick video to go through the Irish spellings and their pronunciations of the three new letters. So the three new letters this week are D, T, and S. Remember that there are two sounds for every letter. So if we go through S, the slender sound, so the sound that will be palatalized, so it'll be the back of your mouth and your tongue reaching for the roof of your mouth, is sh, sh. The broad sound, your lips protrude, fill your mouth with air, and it's sh, sh. So, sh, and sh, sh, sh. Okay, I hope that's clear. It'll be better with the spellings. The next one, T. So the slender, start with the slender again, back of your mouth, t, t, t. And the broad, lips protrude, t, t, t. Hopefully it'll be clearer with the spellings. The last one, D. Slender, back of your mouth, d, d, d. And the broad, lips protrude, d, d, d. Okay, so I'll quickly go through the spellings. The first word, I'll do the meanings at the end. There we go. The first word is dawn. Remember the A at the end, a vowel at the end is a lazy vowel. So you just pronounce it half-heartedly. So dawn, dude, somos, tit, te. Sorry, I'll hold it up. Te. And the next five: sus, sofa, sheba, differ, and tossa. Just on sofa, I'm not sure if I put the fada in the homework for the children. So if you're going over the spellings with them, just tell them this is the correct spelling. Okay, I may have left out the fada. All right, so I'll just quickly run through the meanings. Donna, bold, or bold. Duda is it's the Tishel Ginnajuk of the clay pipe, a dudeen. Somos means comfort or ease. Tit is the verb to fall. Te is a person. On te, a renation. Sus is a break. Sofa is the past participle of the verb to saw. Sheba is again, it's a variant of sheeb for lift. Differ is what is it? It's another variant of the verb to sorry, I'll have to look that one up actually. Tussa is you emphasize, so not it's two, but if it's a tussa, it's like you're saying you. Okay, I'll look up differ. I've completely blanked. Have a nice evening.